Aba, when funding startups, actually, lahat ng mga nag-a-apply ng negosyo, pag nagsisimula ka, magtanong sa bangko, ang kadalasan munang natatanong nila, aside from your business, is, ano ba yung pwede mo maging collateral? Because more often than not, when you borrow for business needs, they are going to require you to be able to put something that allows them to be able to recover in the event that you're unable to pay. So, importante po na magkaroon ka ng pera sa bangko that you can use for you to be able to borrow against, or on a worst case, an asset. Iba po natin mga kasamahan na narinig sa bangko, nagkakaroon na experience, ayaw nila na yung kanilang tinitirahan ay magamit as collateral. Sapagkat napakahirap naman po, pag hindi mag-succeed ang inyong negosyo, ay wala kang matitirahan. Meron naman po tayong ibang mga nakikitang negosyante, willing sila na i-risk yung ganong klaseng ari-arian sapagkat sila'y naniniwala sa kanilang negosyo. Banks will always look for your capacity to pay. Banks will always take a look at what your business proposition is all about. And if they agree with your business proposition, they will support.